6 months from now, you could be in the exact same financial mess you're in today. Or you could be looking back thinking, wow, that one decision changed everything. The question is, will you take control or will you let another 6 months slip away? If you're in your 20s, living paycheck to paycheck, drowning in debt, or feeling like financial freedom is just a dream, you're not alone. But here's the truth. 6 months is enough time to completely change your money game. Not just improve, but transform it. Today, I'm going to give you a step-by-step blueprint that can take you from broke to building wealth in 180 days. And trust me, by the end, you'll see why most people never escape the cycle and how you can be different. Stick around because step 4 alone could save you thousands. So let's dive into the first step, because without this, the next 6 months will look exactly like the last 6 months. Point number 1, audit your financial life. The first step sounds simple, but almost no one does it. A complete financial audit. You can't fix what you can't see. So grab your bank statements, credit card bills, subscriptions, everything. For the next hour, be brutally honest. How much came in? How much went out? Where is your money leaking? Most people avoid this because it's uncomfortable. But here's the scary truth. If you don't know your numbers, you're driving blind financially. And you know what happens when you drive blind, right? So make a list. Income, fixed expenses, variable expenses, debt. This is your financial x-ray, and it's the foundation for every change we make. Now that you know where your money's actually going, let's make sure it starts going where it should. And that brings us to step 2. Point number 2 is build a 6-month financial game plan. Once you have the audit, it's time to create a 6-month roadmap. Why 6 months? Because it's short enough to feel urgent, but long enough to make real progress. Here's the rule. Pick 3 big goals. Example, pay off $1,500 in debt, build a $1,000 emergency fund, and save $500 for investing. That's it. Keep it focused. Too many goals equals no progress. So write those 3 goals down. Now break them into monthly targets. This is your roadmap, and in a minute, I'll show you how to actually free up the cash to hit these goals without working 100-hour weeks. Because let's be real, the problem isn't that you don't know what to do, it's that your money keeps disappearing. So how do we stop the leaks? That's step 3. Point number 3, cut the right expenses. Here's the deal. You don't need to live like a monk to get rich, but you do need to cut what doesn't matter so you can afford what does. Look at your audit. Do you really need 5 streaming services at $200 a month on takeout? These little leaks can sink your financial ship. Here's the magic. Cut just $200 of waste per month. And over 6 months, you've got $1,200 to attack debt or invest. That's the cost of doing nothing. $1,200 gone. But cutting costs only gets you so far. If you really want to flip your finances in 6 months, you need to make more money. And that's exactly what step 4 is all about. Point number 4 is increase your income. Listen carefully. You can only cut so much, but you can earn unlimited income. That's why this step is the difference between scraping by and building wealth. The fastest way? Start a side hustle. Freelancing, tutoring, delivery apps, whatever fits your schedule. If you can earn an extra $500 a month, that's $3,000 in 6 months. Combine that with the $1,200 you saved earlier, and you're at $4,200. That's game-changing money. But here's where most people mess up. They make extra money, then spend extra money. That's why step 5 is the financial firewall you need. So, point number 5, automate your finances. Discipline is great, but automation is better. If you have to rely on willpower every month, you'll fail. So set up automatic transfers, savings, debt payments, investments. Make it impossible to screw this up. Think of this as paying your future self first. And here's the kicker. People who automate save 2 times more than those who don't. Your future self will thank you, or at least won't hate you. Now you're saving, earning more, and spending smarter. But if you want the ultimate financial boost in 6 months, you can't ignore step 6. Point number 6 is invest in yourself and your future. The best investment you can make in the next 6 months? You. Skills pay the bills, and the bigger the skill, the bigger the paycheck. Take a course, learn a high-income skill, start networking. Your earning potential is your biggest asset. And when you combine that with the habits we just built, you're unstoppable. Because here's the harsh truth. In 6 months, you'll either be ahead of the game or 6 months older and still broke. The choice is yours. So, in the next 6 months, audit your money, make a game plan, cut the right expenses, increase your income, automate, and invest in yourself. That's the roadmap to financial freedom. But before you go and start your 6-month plan, there's one thing that can completely sabotage your progress. 5 common financial mistakes people in their 20s make every day. If you avoid these, you'll be light years ahead. Click the video on your screen right now to learn the 5 mistakes that keep people broke and how to avoid them. Trust me, you don't want to miss this.